Where's the limit? You don't reach the top of a mountain and think, that's it, I found it. I guess I'm done. Limits are funny that way. Once you go beyond something you thought was unreachable, the unreachable becomes what's next. At first it was Mount McKinley, then it was Kilimanjaro, then it was Everest. I've come to realize the greatest discoveries aren't out here. They're inside you. I'm one of 118 people in history to have reached the top of all 7 summits. But I'm the only person to do it blind. I may not be able to see, but I can still show others what's possible.